Yeah man, what's up? It's your one and only Yoy once again. As you can see, it's a wonderful day. It's a wonderful day. Yay. It's a wonderful day. Since it is a wonderful day today, we're going to prito sibubog as you can see in the video. We also have magic sarap, tomatoes and onion and garlic for our Ricardo. Also, we have talong ni Joshua, okra ni Olga, sitaw ng ka-teammate mong Bakaw. Based on the ginisang Ricardo, I know that you know what are we going to cook for today's video. But wait, there's more. Don't forget the ladang demonyo. We are now going to put that on the ginisang Ricardo, which is tomato, onion and garlic and of course balaw. We are going to cook that so-called pinakbet. You know the meaning of pinakbet? Pinak ka lang pero hindi ka bet. Parot mo. Joke only. Don't be angry, okay? There, you can see that our pritos na sibubog is already cooked. Also, our pinakbet is already cooked. It is cooked with balaw. Very malasa. Since it's already cooked, I already saldok my rice, my pinakbet, and my pritos na sibubog. Of course, we're going to taste the pinakbet and the pritos na sibubog in a time-lapse video. Because I don't want this video to be long. I want it to be short. Because sometimes short is the best. It depends on the performance. You know what I'm saying, bro? Don't pretend that you're an innocent on this matter. Of course, after we eat, we're going to buy our vitamin C. As you can see, I gave the tendero 100 pesos because I bought their half of basta kabagang kahang Winston. Then I get the change and then I go back to my not so clean motorcycle. And now we're going back to the place where we came from. You know there's a saying in Tagalog, sana all bumabalik. Since I am driving while holding my cell phone, I'm just driving of maximum of 15 kilometers per hour. That's what you call pasiguro. After we came back, I'm going to light now my cigarette. To all the children who are watching now, don't try this at home. Even outside your home. Kung abo mo mabalbalan ka ni ina mo, mapunta nga ka ni ama mo. Cigarette smoking is dangerous to your health. No ID, no entry. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.
What's up mga yoy? Pinakikilala ko sa inyo ang larong Una Game. Ang Una Game is isang play-to-earn mobile game na pwede kang kumita habang naglalaro lang. Mag-register lang, kumpletuhin lang lahat ng details na nakikita sa screen at i-confirm. After mo ma-confirm mga yoy, rekta ka na sa game. Marami kang pwedeng pagpiliin na laro dito mga yoy sa Una Game. Isa na nga dyan mga yoy ang larong Dragon Tiger. Ang larong Dragon Tiger mga yoy ay isang laro na kung saan tataya ka lang kung sa Dragon ba o sa Tiger. Magpapataasan lang kayo ng baraha mga yoy at kung sino yung mas mataas na baraha, syempre siya yung panalo. Diba? Ganun lang siya kadali mga yoy. Naglalaro ka lang pero kumikita ka pa. Sa Una Game lang yan mga yoy. At kung gusto nyo na mag-withdraw, i-click nyo lang mga yoy yung withdraw dyan sa baba, i-bind nyo mga yoy yung Gcash details nyo at ilagay nyo yung withdraw amount. Rekta Gcash nyo na yan mga yoy. Ganun lang siya kadali. Ano pa hinihintay nyo mga yoy? I-download nyo na ang Una Game. Nasa comment section ng video na to yung link kung saan pwede mo siyang i-download. Matik na yan. Una ka sa Una Game.